left side underarm pass. That means you're passing your feet, ladies, all right? And gentlemen, you're lifting the arm up, giving our signal for underarm pass. So, for more information, go to your private lesson style videos. Cool? So this is a quick view of your left side underarm pass. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. You'll notice you're upside down on this, gentlemen. We'll have a way out for you later on, so look for that. All right? Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Nicely done. Again, ladies, you're just passing your feet on this, okay? Now we're coming toward the camera, so we're tightening things up just a tad bit for you. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Nicely done. Now from this angle, ladies, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Good job. All right. Remember, 6 counts. You're just kind of going underneath like a little drawbridge. Yes? Go practice, have fun, and then come on back for the next pattern.